Let's go, guys. Let's go. Wow. The snow today is nice. Woo hoo hoo.
Come on, get in the car. Let's go.
Now you're talking, man. Hey, Ann, is it good?
It's great.
Is it good?
So the snow doesn't go in the car.
I got.
Okay.
How do you like the snow, Shoshi?
Good.
Why you say?
Good.
No, I didn't see you saying good.
Good.
Let me. Don't ask me to. Oh, let me open here again. Give me that.
Too late, too late.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot. You are on the video, man.
Go, we gotta go.
This is cool.
Okay, jump in.
This is cool. Check it out. This is awesome.
Is it great?
This is awesome.
That's a good old storm. See how many cars are on the road. See how many people are at church.
Oh, let's go to church.
You know the problem's going to be with freezes.
How are you, Shosh?
Lights.
She's
So
shy.
I'm starting to get it now.
Well, they were saying this morning it's going to snow for
I'm
a
not
bit
sure.
longer. I mean, you know, not turning to sleep till later.
What happened to the original plan of calling it 6?
He changed it last night.
I hope people don't come up because I feel
Yeah, I know. Well, there will be people who do, and you know that.
the good thing is that it's a light snow.
Is it?
Yeah, it's fluffy. Imagine being at Gillette Stadium today, watching a football game.
Oh, let's go to the football game.
Yeah, but there are people who won't go.
I just heard on TV that we should take like the commuter rail or the bus. People should.
Gates at 8 o'clock.
Look at that car. It's like stuck in the snow.
And you see, you can't see very far ahead.
Yeah.
So they say the visibility is low.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, come on, don't be so
And
shy.
see,
Say
if you
something.
look out, see how the snow is actually coming down sideways. You see
Wow. Yeah, I can see it. It's so beautiful.
Because of the wind.
it? Yeah.
You think it's so amazing, but it's not amazing.
It is amazing. It's wicked amazing. It's wicked awesome.
Stay here.
Press the place and now it's going so fast.
That's what we read, wasn't it?
Press the place and hold
Let me tell you.
water.
I think it's amazing.
I don't.
I do.
I
Watch this
don't.
car. Look. You know, you want to push the accelerator enough to get through the snow, but if you push it too hard and your wheels go too fast, then you're spinning.
Oh yeah.
We call it fishtail.
Fishtail. Okay. So that only happens when it's snowing, huh?
Or ice.
Ice. So right now this snow is different from the last storm we had, right? Done. It's because, for example, I didn't feel it too wet when I was stepping on it. You know, I felt it was like you said, it's more fluffy, right? So it's more like solid.
Help pull out, push that. Then I'll pull it. Thanks. parking there.
Blue,
Yeah.
blue, blue, all dressed in blue. Blue, blue with silver
So I wonder if that church closed today.
her shoe.
Oh, they have endless churches closed. Endless. Here comes the snowplow.
Oh yeah,
Jump over the fence.
that's the snow plow.
So
Two of them.
One
Went
thing
so
this
low,
part of the-
they tap their feet.
and
Stop their
So
toe,
take this
toe,
part of the
toe,
street, this part of the street, this part of the street.
back.
Oh yeah, so that's why they go together, right?
July.
Yeah, I think the last time I saw them plowing the streets, they were like in three,
Uh-huh.
you know, so they would like plow wider, right?
Yeah. And
Something
also
like that.
because one plow leaves snow on each side, right?
Right.
So.
They feed it into the second.
Well, that's true. Yeah. Yeah. You gonna try to make that bridge? Sure.
You know, that's the same way that. Wow. How do you call those cars that you can track like the four wheels at the same time? What?
Four-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
Like Krista's car.
Chris's car is a all-wheel drive.
All the firefighters out there shoveling.
All-wheel drive.
And Lauren's is too.
All right. Well, all-wheel drive.
This car is not, but it does have some special traction in the tires.
Okay. Which
has some special
helps a little.
bits in it. This car has some special bits in it because I saw this to open it. Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, sure.
How much is Chris?
Huh?
And it's
Is it?
it is.
I'll bet you're having a ball.
Isn't this great?
Isn't it great?
I like it.
Do you know why?
Uncle Chris!
Is
Happy
the rain
birthday.
coming?
Oh, look, there's some skiers out. Cross country skiing. That's called.
Yeah. Cross-country skiing. Cross-country skiing. Wow, 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 wow.
Well, that feels a little sleety, doesn't it? But it's still in the 20s, I thought. Huh? Uh-huh. Pretty obvious.
Is that a movie?
Yep.
Figure from studying.
We're going to get hit by that plow.
Yeah. So, we're going to the parking lot.
No problem with that?
Not the parking lot. I'm coming to take.
Pretty crowded.
Parking staff parking.
Is there room there?
Can you hear what's landing on the glass now is sleet? Can you hear the difference? More like rain, sleet?
Oh, I was wondering about this word just about now.
Yeah, so it's beginning to freeze, so the temperature is getting warmer and it's beginning to freeze, and this was freezing.
All right.
Combination of snow and sleet.
And sleet.
Not a good combination for the roads.
I know. So in this case, it's better when it's colder
On Shoshana?
because then you don't have freezing snow. Okay, bye.